Hello everyone, I am Arpita Mandal and Merry Christmas to all of you, and this is a Christmas makeup tutorial for you whoever want to try it. This is a long one, so yeah, just bear with me. Also there will be music, so you won't be tired hearing my voice. So without wasting any minutes, I have started my tutorial. Here I am using ELF's eyebrow definer. All the product details will be in the descriptions, so don't worry about it. This is my, so I completed my eyebrows. I'm not going for a refined eyebrow look, I'm just going for a bushy brown kind of a look. And now I am using Swiss Beauty's concealer with a brush that I purchased many years ago from Amazon maybe. Now I am using PLUME brush for the eyelid. I have just prepped my eyelid with Swiss Beauty's concealer and I used PLUME's buffing brush. Then I'm using puff to blend it more. So now I am using tapes. As the look is a dramatic eye look, so I'm just using the tape for a fast work. That's it. And see, I just measured the tape how long I need, then I'm applying it on the back of my hand so that the glue or gum, whatever it is, it will be lessened and it won't harm my skin when I'm removing it. So yeah, the angle is clear, I have checked. Now I'm starting my eye makeup. So now I am using Revolution's Patricia Bright palette, and the first shade I picked up is a light pink shade. The name is This Pink's Popping, and I'm using it so that I can line my crease and yeah, as a transition shade as well. And then next I'm picking up a deeper shade, wifey, and I'm just dipping it so that it deepens and deepens. I'm going for a red eyelid, but first I'm doing it in pink and then I'm going for red. And now I used Miss Tropicana. Yeah, the last eyeshadow I used is Miss Tropicana and the lines went higher, so I'm removing a little bit of the redness from the upper lid, just using a Q-tip. I didn't use anything. And now I'm using the transition shade just to clear it up and smudge it as well so that it doesn't look rough. And now again I am going to take the Q-tip and some micellar water for a clear eye shape. Yeah, see, I'm nervous, that's why my voice is cracking, so just again bear with it. Now I'm cutting my crease with the same small brush and I'm using again the Swiss Beauty concealer only. So clearly it was not clear in the first half. Then I again took a smaller brush and I just lined it again so that it looks perfectly neat, nothing else. And yeah, I don't know this brush name, so I can't actually let you know. I will be adding the Plume brushes, and again I'm using the puff to blend the concealer. Sorry, my voice is cracking. Okay, now both sides is normal. Did you see that? I actually took the eyeshadow and it was so powdery that it went. Now I just used transition shade to set my eyelid, and then I'm taking this white shimmering, the name is Shimmering from Patricia Bright, and I'm just gonna put it all over the eyelid. I'm not gonna use anything else. Oh yes, I'm using another eye palette, same from Revolution. The name is I Love Revolution Curses and Hexes. It is an old palette, I don't know if it's still there or not. So I'm using another white shimmer shade from it. The name is Hypnotize. Oh yeah, Hypnotize. Just just going to hypnotize all of you. Yeah, and now this white shimmery glitter, sorry, not white, it is a silver glitter. I just love this one, and it was a store bought product, and it's not available in online, I think, and the brand name also got removed by using again and again, so I can't let you guys know. The main thing is you guys can use any kind of glitter liners you want. I'm using the silver one just to line and shade it beautifully, and yeah, it is actually pretty good. My camera is not capable to get it, but it is beautiful in real life. The look was stunning, and this eye makeup is actually great for night time. Now I am using soft matte lip cream from Swiss Beauty again. The lip shade is number is 24, blood red. Yeah, the name is blood red, and I'm using Pro Arte PE30 liner brush, and I'm just lining the red lines so that it looks deeper and bold. I love this kind of looks, and that's why I just purchased this Pro Arte brush. It was so good. And now I am using the kajal from Sugar to tightline my upper lids. I forgot what it is said. Yeah, now the finishing off. See, I just love it. It turned out so beautiful and so good. Now I'm using pressed glitters. The name is Flames. Yeah, I'm just making it flamed out, burned out. What should I say? I don't know. Whatever. The pressed glitter is called Flames from Patricia Bright, and I'm just adding it over the line I just made. Now come to the part of face. Okay, first I'm using Elf's Tight Grip. I think that is the name. I forgot about the primer. Okay. And I have combination skin, and my most pores are available near my nose, and all the portions I'm adding it. I'm not gonna put it all over my face, only this area, so that it smooths out. And I'm using Elf's. Again, I forgot the name. That's why I said I will be putting everything in the description. Such a stupid person. And yeah, this is not my shade. I thought it will be. I purchased it from Nykaa, and then it came dark. Like, wow. I thought I'm darker. Okay, I'm just adding it for a little bit of glow. Now I'm taking Insight, and this is a peach shade. Yeah, it's looking orange, but it is a peach shade, and I just want to color correct my under eyes for the little bit of darkness I have in there. And I'm using my fingertip because fingertips are warm, and they actually are great for blending of products. See how smoothly it blended. Now for foundation, I'm taking L'Oreal's concealer, and then I just took a little bit, and then I'm taking MAC foundation NC45. So I'm just gonna mix both of them and get my shade. Yeah, I actually don't use a single product, and most time I don't actually like foundation on my skin, so I try to use concealer the most, because concealers mostly give you what should I say, very fine finishing. Yeah, and I love that fine finishing. See, it was a little bit whiter, so I'm just adding a little bit more of MAC, and then I'm just gonna mix those two very fastly. And now see, my shade came. If you think it's looking white, it is gonna blend, and yeah, now see the smooth blend. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. So now I'm not gonna use anything else. I'm just gonna use this to cover my whole face. And yeah, I'm not using any kind of filters and no ring lights or anything. Okay, this is my natural skin and I'm sitting in front of my window filming it. So this is my bare skin. You can clearly see little bit of bumps, all the moles and everything. Okay, the foundation, and you will see how makeup looks on skin actually. Okay, makeup will always look like makeup will never look like skin, because that is what reality is. So I'm just gonna do that, not gonna put any kind of filters or anything. So now I'm using again the same puff and I'm just blending my under eye. So I came closer and you can clearly see all those little bumps and everything that my skin has. If I distance myself from the camera, they are not visible and they're not actually too much, just a little bit, and my makeup is still looking very smooth. Now I'm using HUDA BEAUTY's pancake pressed powder, loose powder, sorry. Oh my god, yeah, this is loose powder. The shade name I don't remember. I'm just gonna add it in the description. Okay, Sugar's contour stick. I was looking for it for like years and I couldn't get it. All the time I was trying to get it, it was out of stock. I was so depressed and angry, but finally I got it, and I got it in my perfect shade, and I just love the product. Okay, but yeah, the product came broken to me. I have a clip of that. Maybe I'm gonna upload it, but I just fixed it because I can't return it. I just got my perfect shade. I don't wanna ruin it again, so whatever. The product was cool. It just was a little bit of broken. See how easily it just blended in the skin. Oh my god, it is actually very easy to blend. It's so smooth and the color is perfect for me. It is the darkest one, I think, as much I remember. Yeah, I just blended everything, and now I'm just taking this shimmery green eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it over my liner. I think I forgot to add the liner part. I used FACESCANADA's eyeliner for my eyelid, and now I'm using Swiss Beauty or Wet n Wild's white kajal. I don't remember. I will have to check. Yeah, I think the Wet n Wild, I do have the Wet n Wild one, but that is not actually as great. And this one is from Swiss Beauty, as much I can remember right now. And this is actually good and great as well. But I don't know what happens. It just goes in my eyes and makes my eyes go watery. And my eyes are actually very much watery and teary. So that already is a problem. Okay, now I'm using ILANA's blush. I have two shades. One is peach and the second is, I think, coral. So firstly I'm using the peach one, and yeah, the color is pretty, but it was not showing up that much on my skin. Maybe if I was doing a very natural base, then it would have been great. So I'm just adding the coral one also, and I'm gonna blend this one too. These ones are actually very good. They are a little bit pricey, but they are actually good and they stays for long as well. So my liquid blush is complete, and then to set it I'm gonna use Sugar's blush as well, and now I'm just gonna set it clearly. I'm not going for too much blush. I don't like too much blush on my face. Yeah, this little bit is perfectly fine. I don't need more than that. Now a little bit on the nose, little bit on the chin, and done. Now for highlighting I'm using HUDA BEAUTY's mini highlighter palette, and I'm I'm taking the gold shade. uh, to be truthful, this highlighter is little bit chunkier looking. It doesn't give completely natural finish to me. I don't know, but I had high expectations, but it is not that great. It is good, obviously good, but I don't know. I don't really love it. I do like it, but I don't love it. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna spread the lines a little bit more. I can't stop my hands from doing this, and yeah, I thought of not doing anything in the dry portion, but then I thought, why not? This is Christmas makeup, so I'm just gonna go all out. And now I'm adding the same lipstick to line my lower lids, and I'm just gonna draw another line, yeah, very smoothly. See, the highlighter is looking pretty good, but no, I don't really like the highlighter that much, but I still do use it. I'm having a love and hate relation with the highlighter. I use my Glam's highlighter, and that's very smooth. I actually like that finish. That is very affordable as well. You can definitely try that, and that's long lasting. It stays for hours. I have used it, and that's great. Sorry for the background noises. I'm just using my headphone right now for voiceovers. I'm gonna buy a mic very soon, and then there will be no more sounds. Yeah, I completed, and also I used the Flames pressed glitter on my lower lids as well. Now I'm using a lip liner, a brown lip liner, just to line my lips. Now I'm taking PLUME's uh, lip brush. Okay, and I'm taking the Swiss Beauty lipstick. That soft matte lipstick. The color is actually very beautiful. If you like little bit of dark red lip colors, it's not that dark, but it's a little bit dark, little red, and I'm actually loving this. And it's not at all tacky or sticky anything. It is soft and perfect liquid lipstick. This is very affordable. You can definitely try this one. And yeah, I'm not finished with this one. I'm using the Bellora's red lipstick as well. This is pricier, and to be truthful, it is little bit drier. Yeah, when I used it only the Bellora one, then it actually dried my lips down, though I added a lip balm under my lipstick as well still. But with this soft cream, it was not as much drying. Also, I didn't put too much. I just highlighted my some parts, and I layered it very lightly, so it was good. It was good, and it stayed for long. And now this is my final makeup. I added lashes, and yeah, this is in natural sunlight. See how beautiful it looks. If you do like this whole tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Belated Merry Christmas, but still. Okay. Now